아침이 가로 저토노마스 디스트릭 카운슬러 생신 갔죠. 생신 갔다니 자만은 MBC 그만하니까 나가는 미니파 이쪽에 나를
Minister was replying to the motion yesterday.
Nisweng kepa sakam tikon Meghalaya News 24 channel lona ramchak soa anga nijora marak aro yan dalni khoborang adokni opposition ne dilgapa aro gacham skotong minister Dr. Mukul Sangma corona sabisini gatham gapa changna rebani ko basako aro bano ongchengen yan singani ongenga sorkarini vaccine policy ko niat kensmode biji rangko suani skanggapa dosoni gnigapa dosona belongin chelthang rakani rang dongaha un baksana ba daoba niat kensmode chelthang rakani rang bangen dongthayaha adokni manderangara chugama gatham-gapa chang coronani rebanara thari samsuahama coronani gatham-gapa changje somayoba sokpagnok ne aganaha.
Look at the vaccine policy of the government. The interval or the gap between the first jab and the second jab, which was earlier indicated at 6 to 7 weeks, have been increased to 12 to 16 weeks. And when we try to look at the reason for this sudden increase between the first dose and the second dose, we could not find any scientific answer. There is no scientific answer in as far as this gap is concerned. Therefore, the state government must take up this issue with Government of India. We must be realistic and we must be scientific. It cannot be based on somebody's whims and fancies. We cannot deviate from ground reality. We cannot deviate from whatever is considered realistic based on scientific understanding, based on scientific data. Now, therefore, even if you're looking at this gap of 12 to the designated gap, the revised gap, spreading from 12 to 16 weeks, it's a long gap between the first and the second jab. That means by next 12 and 16 weeks also you will not have enough number of the population covered by 2 doses of vaccination. That means you will not have the population who are fully equipped with the right kind of arsenal in the instant case through vaccination to face the challenge of this pandemic. To face the kind of challenge of the pandemic wherein we need to minimize the brunt of the pandemic on the overall health infrastructure and health facilities and minimize the number of sufferings and loss of precious lives. Will the virus wait for 12 and 16 weeks to show its resurgence in the third wave? We don't know. We hope that it doesn't happen at all. But the trend indicates that it might strike at any point of time.
Adokni skotong minister Pha Konrad Sangma arogapan cabinet minister rang Shukrubar salni bako ngatgapa cabinet minister rangni thopmani bidango chanchirmani ko songbat sethumgapa rangna agan thalat kija gamakan shruk choke khattokaha. Adoko dauroro adita manderangko jajatkapa aro masina nangenggapa rangara merongni scam jaintia ajani koila ko chawe choani bidango Star Cement Factory ni rongchun chuna pariata nina environment clearance ni bidango aro COVID sajan mako dakrakani rangan mongsonggaparang ongenga Songbat sethumgaparangko Directorate of Information and Public Relations Cabinet ni thopmani Shukrubar salni atham ni chigni atha bajioni donga ane okamataha aro uni gaman songbat sethumgaparang gamakan somai gatan sokangen ba sengthokaha cham je dakode wamangni chanchirmani ko manderangna masiatna mangen ane andiba atham ni gatham baji mangos skotong minister ongkhat paen ba covid ni thomani machotani jaman power minister James Sangma yojna bawano nasimangna thalate ongen ane agane reangaha uni gaman aplak journalist rang James Sangma ko sengaha andiba wa na bajaha COVID ni gaman health minister El Hek Parakataha andiba wa cabinet thomani bidangode agana je chakaha Media rang James ko grongna sengon waba CM ni reangani somayon reangaha ane masina manaha sengani de yan maina bisong dongnue chakkenga Sorkari ko adita adokong enggepa obostarangni bidengo matnanganirang dongenga warangara koila chawe choani merongni scam MEECLO smart meter rangko ragatani thi konggi janirang aro gapanrang Deputy Chief Minister ba apsan daken media rangna khene secretariat ni tharaken mamung ko ba agan gija ongkhate khatangaha
James will update after the COVID meeting, so that we can do both together.
Sir, CM told us that he will. He left, sir. He left, sir.
See, I told you CM will do it. Yeah?
He left, sir.
He left. Then
He
you
left.
check your email.
No one is there, sir.
Check your
Sir, we need for electronic media, sir.
Yeah, you check from it. Please.
For video, sir.
Adokni Chief Minister gacham Dr. Mukul Sangma adoko petrol, diesel, nokcham rakani cement aro gapan bosturangni dam barianirang nangana batphle ya sajinmani somayo barianirangna manderangni niknakani na jajing showani ko pharakataha adoko cement factory rang bangen chmoba reangpa bilsi gnio nin damrang khomi jaingani gaman adoko nirokparang manderangni niknakani ko niatna nanga ani CLP ni dalgapa janapataha
Uncontrolled spike in essential commodities pricing pattern across the state. Edible oil which were sold, which were available at 100 rupees and below 100 rupees are being sold at 200 rupees. Now you have to understand that people have very limited cash reserve. The population, the citizens don't have surplus investable reserve to be subjected to this kind of uncontrolled price rise. I don't see any measure or any effort from the side of the government to take cognizance of this concern. Talk about the diesel prices, talk about the petroleum prices, everything. Look at the price of cement, look at the price of the steel, look at the price of the CGI sheet. What is the price? Why is it skyrocketing? Who is benefiting out of this? Is there a mafia all across the nation who is operating? Or is it that government, because they want to illegally extort from the public, because, you know, the GST is in terms of percentage, 18%. If the price goes up, the tax also goes up. You have so many cement factories in the state, and you pay the price of cement, which is, if you compare, you find out what is the cement being sold in other states, where they have cement manufacturing factories. And here, you have so many cement factories, and the price escalation has never stopped since last 2 years.
East Giant Hills ajani Sutunga Jolo Jongpa Koila Akolo Gamaingpa Gapan Manderangkoba Indian Navy ni sakchigani sipairang Sandina Gata Rakpe e Kamrangko Kaingkwa. Meghalaya Sorkarini Okamata ko mane Indian Navy ni chirapkapa sipairang reangpa Jun chigani tharikonin Sandina aba chenga hacham aro wan daken ya koila akolo gamagpa manderangoni saksani mangisi kode adita salrangnas khangsan koila akoloni ko raungkhatna mana hacham Tauroro salanchen makarang waingani asel koila akolo chirang kape koila akolo gamaingkapa manderangko sandianio niknakanirangko matningoba Indian Navy ni chirapkapa sipairang ya koila akol ni fit rechabrimang ongple nengtuaona rapange koila akolo gamaingpa manderangko sandinga aro akol nengo andalani asel nekanirang khomia ane uyataha ya koila akolo Indian Navy baksana NDRF SDRF DDRF Fire and Emergency aro police rangba dongkhame gamaingpa manderangko sandiani ko kham korangko khaingacham Anchang niat play nina mangen busi hajal gini chiche toba Indian Navy ni chirapkaparang sak chibonga koila akolo changkete donganio apsan daken kamrangko kaahacham.
Very steep, like 500 feet below, and then water, you have 100 feet, more than 110 meters of water. It is, and the space is very, very restricted, very narrow. It's not that easy operation, not an easy rescue operation, but it is commendable work done by the Navy that in spite of all the constraints, they have been able to retrieve one of the bodies. And they are continuing on with the effort, and I should really appreciate them They have not rested even a single day. They have really come to the rescue operation right from morning and without using all efforts, using all the equipment that they have.
DHS ni dilani chi Sorkari Consultative Committee ko notify khaatken ane adokni Health Minister Pha Alexander Lalu Hek private hospital rang baksa private hospital rang COVID-19 ko sananio thangarang ko raani bidengo adok Sorkari na namen chanchina nangani ongenga ane neke thomanio jamano pharakataha.
The private hospitals owners, we had a meeting short while ago, and we have taken this decision that the government will notify a small consultative committee regarding for the exorbitant fees which is charged to the patient, that we have been discussing about this, and the government will issue notification on the committee will be formed. Consultative committee will be formed to discuss about the issue that is facing by the private hospital, at the same time also facing by the patients and the public in general.
Taxation Department ko thari dapthayani ko the aganangion one time settlement scheme moni ko banga bangki dongengpa VAT tax rangko adokni petrol pump ge rachagni kholachi rango niko gilna nanga ane Dr. Mukul Sangma jegalenba VAT ko petrol rangko bregpa mande rango nikon petrol pump rang gilruk kengode maina wama apsan ko sokharina gamjainga ane singdap khuaha yan niam ko pheani onga ane agandap khuaha.
By the move of the government to arrive at one-time settlement in respect to the taxes, the VAT realized by the petrol pump owners. Friends, I'll tell you one thing. When anyone who has to buy petrol or diesel, when you go to the petrol pump, you are paying the tax, the value-added tax. Petrol and diesel has not been considered to be included under the GST regime because of certain reasons which were collectively agreed upon by the states at the time of transiting from the VAT regime to GST regime. Now, everybody who has bought petrol or diesel from the petrol pumps in the last preceding 3 years, we have already paid the tax. Is it clear? Or you have not been charged of the tax when you buy petrol or diesel? VAT has been realized by the petrol pump owners. That means I have paid tax, the people have paid tax. If tax has to be refunded, it has to be refunded to us, the taxpayers. That is what the law of the land says. Otherwise, the strategy of the government is that, okay, we will give you rebate, you come to us. Is some middleman working? We have to verify. We have to verify because this is completely not, or in other words, I would say this is from complete deviation from the provision of the law. I will further speak on this subsequently, specific to this. But what I am trying to say is that it is abundantly clear for everyone. One doesn't have to even know the nuances of interpretation of value-added tax, the act which we passed in 2003, to understand that each one of us, whoever has purchased petrol or diesel, have already paid the value-added tax to the respective petrol pumps who have collected them and have not deposited. So if this tax has been collected from us, it has been realized for the purpose of enriching the exchequer of the government, not to enrich the pockets of the businessmen, irrespective of who are the petrol pump owners, with no offense intended to any petrol pump owners, any businessmen. Because this may not be something which must have come as a proposal even from the petrol pump owners. It might have come from somebody who must be acting like a dalal. We have to find out.
Scrubar salni cabinet to thomaniyo chanchi grumani aro rachakani rangra Skangapa, Amendment of the Meghalaya Civil Service Rules 1975 Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute MCS Officer Rangni Training Donata ko matmateng somayo Porikao Mark Matnanio Aro MPSC ni competitive examo name dakanyo pangchake officer ranking aro seniority donatken angapa ko cabinet rachakaha. Gnigapa Pa UN Madan Retired Chief Engineer Projects MEPDCL ni appointment ko MEPDSL ni dengtang OSD Technical Power Department ni nengo belsi gatamna contract basis so donata ni ko cabinet rachakaha. Gatam gapa Gacham gadi rang ni registration rang ko scrap kai galo mangba gacham registration ko rarak phulna maina bangija manderang antang tangni namna kappa number rang na thangkha rang ko gamenga uni gaman wa mangna absent registration ko gatal gari ko ragen smoba rakhi phulna opportunity ko onna nanga ane cabinet rachakaha brigapa police bazar shillongo a dongapa ko redevelop kana aro housing and urban development corporation bank ko niko nanganina loan rachina ba cabinet rachakaha Bungagapa, Amendment of the Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax Act 2017 Koba Rachakaha. Tokapa, Meghalaya Forensic Science Laboratory Service Rules 2021 Ko Tharina Proposal Ongapa ko Cabinet Rachakaha. Adoko COVID-19 sabisini champengna nengnakani ko naljoke rakhina June chisa tarik hajagni kolgriksa oni June kolgriksa ona gatal uyatani ko onku jana khangkhang containment measure dake adokamak kon donataha ajani DC rang nangani kri anthangthangni bill ko jakhalchina bill ko onataha adok sorkari songdonggapa manderang ko sabisioni naljokna anthangthangko sabisini biji ko suchina molmolataha Adoko bisarang sak hajal chichet rachasa chibongana baten belong be moderate acute malnourishment satokenga ane adokni social welfare minister in charge Pakir Menshila Bristabar Salo Merong scheme ni bidango thalat matango parakataha Adoko bisarangni belong be moderate acute malnourishment sagaparang ko dengthang mansa sandi rukhatani rangko daskari September ja o ongatangaha ane Shila aganaha sak hajal chisni sochetchet SAM mang bisarang aro sak hajal chidok Rachagtam Kolgruksni MAM mang bisarang moderate acute malnourishment onge sagaparang ko masina manaha newa parakataha. Shilani agananio yarangoni nampil gaparang chugamak sotskut gutam point sochet bunga % SAM bisarang sauni namplaha aro wa mangoni sotskusni point sotpunga gutam % MAM bisarang sauni nampil tokaha. Yana regular health checkup rangko health and family welfare department ni dakchakani chi dakrongenga aro awareness rangko ba onjrengenga aro take home ration ko ba nutrition rangko bariatna onjrengenga aneba wa thalataha merong scheme ni bidango sorkari matnanggapana agan chakengon Assam ni boko o ramgapa merong de PDS ni manderangna ba covid relief na onatgapa ongja ane agan chakaha ya merong ko social welfare department na FCIO ni ICDS scheme ni nengo SNP chaani ko tharigapa rangna approve khana onatgapasa Ukosa adokna micronutrient energy dense fortified thariatna rangenba raba phulthai ronga ane aganaha Mamong sorkari ni September kolgrakpwa hajagni chibri bilsio guideline rangko onatani gatade adoko sorkari chana onna take home ration niam rangko ICDS scheme nengo name dake brenggaman gamak ingredient rang baksana protein rang aro calorie rang rangko nutritional norms ni donso gamano phangchake National Food Security Act hajalgni chigatam aro supplementary nutrition rules hajalgni chisnio raken jarakna nanga ane minister aganaha supplementary nutrition ko take home ration je bisarangan jadokoni bilsigathamona ano donggapa aro bilgrigapa magaparang na denga songdal dalgapa chaani rangko bilsigathamoni bilsidok onggaparang na anganwadi center rango oninga dao ge Rachagni gatam self-help group rangko chaani rangko rana aro salbana aro songe onna anganwadi center rango donataha neba wa aganaha ya kham rangko khaingon NGO rang aro media rang wa mangni gisak nange kham rangko khaani ko gisak sukonga chachina ba minister molataha
In Meghalaya whatever food materials need to be provided it should be correct so till now it seems it's correct we have a lab testing so we found the food is correct as per requirement. So, because if it found is not as per requirement, then of course he has to be take out. No doubt on that. So we cannot afford to give something food materials, especially for our children, because our concern is that our children should get the best food as per the norms.
Talni khoborang de yarangsan nasimang yo khoborang ni gaman nambate aro talbate masina scan smode meghalaynews24.com moniko porena mangem sakantian smsake dongbo ongkato de mask rangko ganjrengbo un baksanaba sorkarini dongaman niamrangko jarakbo sakantikon niswahanina mathela.